Want to share photos, files, or links instantly with other Apple devices? Let's turn on AirDrop and make sharing super fast and wireless. Before we start, hit subscribe so you never miss quick iPhone tips like this one. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2. Tap General. Step 3. Tap AirDrop. Step 4. Now choose who can send you files. Receiving off means no one can send you anything. Contacts only lets just your contacts send you files. Everyone for 10 minutes allows anyone nearby to send files, but only for a short time. Choose what works best for you. You can also turn on AirDrop quickly by swiping down to open Control Center, then long pressing the connectivity box where Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are, and tapping AirDrop. And that's it. Now your iPhone is ready to receive files instantly from nearby Apple devices. Hit subscribe for more smart iPhone tricks that make everyday tasks easier.